As outlined in our previous video, the design of Kipware Conversational is for the user to use the conversational menus to create cycles. The user can create a cycle for each of the operations required to machine the workpiece complete. Each time a cycle is created, it is loaded into the tree. As you can see here, we have created 4 cycles to machine our workpiece. Facing, spot drilling, and rough and finish a 3x3 pocket. Now that all the cycles are complete, we can link these cycles to tools, create an order of machining, and finally have KipwareM pull everything together and create one main G-code program we can then send to the machine. Opening up the main program module allows us to start creating operations and an order of machining. When we previously created cycles, it is not necessary to create them in the exact order they will be executed. It is here that we will create the order of machining as well as link the cycles to tools. For each operation, we enter the tool number, work offset code, height offset number, and select a Z-axis clearance plane for the initial rapid move. Double-clicking the desired previously created cycle will link it to that tool. We can repeat this procedure for each machining operation and tool. Each tool can have up to 10 cycles linked to it. They will be executed in the G-code in the order they are linked here. As you will see in operation number 4, we will link the pocket rough and finish to the same tool as an example. It's not necessary for us to enter a spindle RPM here, it is already included in the previously created cycles. With all the operations created and tools linked to cycles, we are ready to generate the main program. We will select the option to have KipwareM Auto generate a tool list and include it as notes in the G-code program. Pressing Create G-code causes KipwareM to generate the complete main program. This program includes all tool calls, offset calls, and all G-code from the cycles in the appropriate order of machining. In our next video, we'll take a deeper look at some of the unique and powerful features available only in Kipware Conversational.